Hello, welcome to Crowded Lab channel. Today I will do CrystalSound review. This is a small AI helper tool which enhances the sound and which is best for content creators and remote teams. And moreover, it has integrations with popular communication applications like Discord, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Zoom. I will do the test of this tool and will compare how it performs against AdobePodcast, a free web-based solution which also improves sound quality. Regarding additional features, you can record directly with this tool, or you can enhance already recorded audio. As well, you have additional features like My Voice Only, where you can register your voice, and that will allow to suppress other voices in the recording. This is a desktop application, and the creators promise low CPU consumption, so it will not overload your computer or notebook. You get all of the other features which help to increase audio quality, and you get integrations with popular communication tools like Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Slack, Skype, and others. At the moment, this tool is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, and there are several tiers. And even with the first tier plan, you get unlimited and unrestricted use with all of the features mentioned above. And the only difference between plans is the number of users. So I think you may safely start with the license tier 1, and if you need more users, for example, if you have some team members or you would like to share this tool with someone, then you may consider license tier 2 or 3. Here is the quick look at their website. And again, these are the integrations that they provide. I will show you how it works later in the video. These are their regular pricing plans. The great thing is that they provide free plan, which is pretty generous. They have monthly plan, and as I mentioned before, they provide lifetime deal on AppSumo. Please check the link in the description or scan the QR code when you see it on the screen. The installation is pretty simple. You need to sign up with an email. You will get into the dashboard, and then you need to download an application. They support Windows, Mac, and Linux. And then you will have an access to their dashboard, and you will be able to open their tool like this. Here is a quick look at their settings. You can see I've registered my voice-only profile. It means it will help to separate my voice better and even suppress other voices if needed. Here are some other settings. You can choose the language. Also, you can apply some effects on the fly. For AppSumo deal, you will have these advanced settings available. They have some tutorials, you can test the audio, and here you can record the voice, or you can upload the recording and enhance the sound. And now, let's jump into the use case of sound enhancement. For this test, I have recorded some audio with Apple EarPods, which you can buy for $16.99. So I did the screen recording, and now let's extract the sound as MP3 from that recording. I usually use this free tool, Cloud Convert. If you know the better web-based version to extract sound as MP3 or in other format, please post the name of the tool in the comments section. Let's convert. Here it is, our MP3. Let's download it. And now, let's actually do the sound enhancement test with CrystalSound. I will leave all the settings at their default values. Let's upload the file. Here it is. And let's enhance. So it took about 7 seconds. Regarding the consumption of the local resources, it jumped for the 50% of CPU usage during the enhancement. Let's save the result. To get some data for comparison, let's enhance the same file with AdobePodcast. It took about 33 or 34 seconds to complete, which is about 5 times slower then CrystalSound. And now let's hear the original sound, and then enhanced voice with CrystalSound, and then sound enhanced by AdobePodcast. This is the test of the sound, recorded with Apple AirPods headphones, which are connected to the notebook. Here you may hear some background noise, some keyboard noise, and now you should be hearing the sound of the hairdryer at the same time with some keyboard noise, and now with only keyboard noise, and that's it. This is the test of the sound, recorded with Apple AirPods headphones, which are connected to the notebook. Here you may hear some background noise, some keyboard noise, and now you should be hearing the sound of the hairdryer at the same time with some keyboard noise, and now with only keyboard noise, and that's it. This is the test of the sound, recorded with Apple AirPods headphones, which are connected to the notebook. Here you may hear some background noise, some keyboard noise, and now you should be hearing the sound of the hairdryer at the same time with some keyboard noise, and now with only keyboard noise, and that's it. And before I will jump to the conclusion and my final thoughts about this tool, I would like to show you another feature that CrystalSound provides. It is integration with popular communication platforms like Zoom or Google Meet or Discord. You can see I'm running a Zoom meeting, and this is the setting window of CrystalSound, where I can choose the microphone and enable it, and we can see that it is in use by Zoom. And in the audio settings of Zoom, you can actually choose CrystalSound microphone, which should apply additional enhancement of the sound on top of your microphone. In case of Zoom, I didn't see a lot of improvement because Zoom improves the sound and reduces the noise, for example, from keyboard pretty well on its own. But anyway, it's a nice feature to have. All right, so moving to the conclusion, here are my thoughts about this tool. I think it's a great addition in the toolkit of the content creator or any person that does communicate online, because this tool can integrate with the most popular communication platforms and it can enhance sound quickly. Regarding the sound quality compared to Adobe Podcast Enhancement, in some parts without noise, Adobe did better. In some parts with more noise, CrystalSound did better. I think it's a personal preference, but anyway, CrystalSound is a great asset, a great tool to have in a toolbox. And one additional benefit is the speed, because in case of 30-second sound improvement, CrystalSound did that in 7 seconds, and Adobe Podcast did it in 35 seconds. Imagine that you need to improve sound for 1 hour file. In this case, enhancing it locally with the power and resources of your local computer, it will be much faster than using a web-based solution. You may get this tool by link in the description, or you may scan the QR code that you can see on the screen right now. So that's it. Please give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.